Great vid. I'm new to DoD and your stuff. It really helped me understand what I should be doing, which also translates to being more confident in interviews. Currently, I'm an ISO for a non-critical system, small organization. I'm surprised how chill it is. Honestly, I feel like a slacker. The only downside is not getting paid what I should, but about to get remedied with an IA offer. Okay, this dude's got an IA offer. That's really great. Also, just a side note, he says incident response sucks. Oh man, really? Does it suck? I've done a little bit of incident response, but not like the incident response. I was on a security operations center, and I actually liked it. I actually liked that part of it. But then I used to do incident responses, but it was for incident. We had security incidents. Yeah, those did suck. That was not fun. So security incidents where we would respond to somebody putting classified material accidentally on an unclassified or sending it out to people they couldn't. Then we had to purge the system and do all this documentation. Man, that was horrible. And then people all stressed out and panicking and stuff. Yeah, I don't miss that. I really don't miss that.